Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video we're going to install an all chrome LED rainfall shower head. So here's the box. The only label on it is just this one. Other than that, it's just a plain white box. So here's what's in the box, some instructions, a little bit of Teflon, and our new shower head. So it comes with this plastic cover. See, it's nice and chrome. So here's our LEDs, and right here is our little display that will show us the temperature of the water. And I also purchased this 15-inch extension. Came with a little bit of Teflon and some washers there. Here's the instructions. Let's get to it. Now, this should be a pretty easy install. I'm going to only see if I use channel locks. I shouldn't need anything else. And a towel, just not to mess up the chrome. And I'm going to only use what it brought. So let's remove our old shower head here. I'm not going to use a towel on this because I don't care if I scratch this one up. It's going to the trash anyway. Remove that part, we're replacing that. I don't know why there's a scrunchie there. Probably from keeping this rack from sliding down. I assume that's why it's there, so we'll just leave it there. Let's put some new Teflon here. We're just gonna wrap it at least 5 times. So it already brought an extra thick washer inside there, so we're just gonna use that one. That should be good right there. So here's your little knob here, so you can adjust it up and down. So here's our shower head. It already comes with our washer and our screen. So let's just screw this in place. Try not to cross thread. Okay, moment of truth. Let's turn this on and hopefully we see some LEDs. Wow. Turn on the code. And there you have it. You saw it here on Handyman Land. This shower head does not work. Well, as you can see, this shower head does not work. The LEDs do not turn on. It should have had some LEDs and a little display inside that'll show you the temperature of the water. But obviously, as we can see, this shower head is a dud and it needs to go back. But the homeowner does not want this. They don't want to deal with ordering another one and the same issue happens. And plus, they really didn't understand what a rainfall shower head was until they saw this. They don't like the pressure. They prefer something more stronger. But as for the rainfall, if you can see that, there's not a lot of pressure. But that's the way it's supposed to be. Except for the LEDs. I'll show you photo what we should have been seeing. So the colors that you saw on the photo, that's what we should be seeing for cold, warm, and hot. If you want to see, I installed this LED faucet, kitchen faucet, and how the LEDs work on that, I'll leave the link in the description at the bottom. And you'll see that it's awesome. It really is nice. And I installed that about a month ago and it's still working great. Well, as you can see, I had it running for some time and the LEDs have not turned on yet. I'm just going to remove it and order something that the homeowner will prefer. Okay, my packages came in. In this box here, it should be my double outlet manifold. Why double? We're installing 2 shower heads. So we got some O-rings here, well, washers. So this is supposed to be brass, and it is. I could feel the quality. It's nice. And in this package here, we have 2 3-inch high pressure shower heads. Let's see. Okay, brings a little bit of Teflon, some instructions, another washer. Here's our shower head. What I like is that the outlet also brought a lot of extra washers, and the shower head also brings the washer, and they're the exact same size that the outlet brought. The outlet is from another company. I'll leave a link in the description where I purchased this. And the shower heads, at least this company, they took the time to put the logo there of their product and a nice photo of what's inside the box. So I'll be using the Teflon that the shower head came with today. About 3 to 5 wraps should be more than enough. So my Teflon's on. Going to put the washer inside the shower head. I'm using the washers that came with the outlet. Hand tight only. My 2 shower heads are on. Now I'm going to tighten it only 1/4 inch using a 7/8 wrench. If you see, the shower head has a groove right here on each side. So you can place your 7/8 wrench, place it right in there, and just turn only 1/4 inch to tighten it. As you can see, I'm doing this with one hand, but that's good enough. So we're going to put another washer right inside there. Okay, we're removing our no good LED shower head. Shower head is off. You're going to want to re-Teflon again. I already removed the old Teflon. Let's just re-Teflon this. Just, you want to make sure that you are not cross-threading. Okay, there you have it. And if you want to adjust this higher, you can. It's very easy. Just turn here and raise it to the height that you want. So let's see the power on this thing. Let's turn on the code. Yeah, I like that. It's really strong. It's pretty cool because you can separate them or make them run into each other. It just smacks the dirt off of you. Well, there you have it. We have a pretty nice setup here. We have a 15-inch extension along with a double manifold outlet and two 3-inch power shower heads. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon and I'll see you soon. But for now, I need to return this no good LED shower head. You have a good one.